Ashley Pickens here in Memphis, Tennessee. Today's video is all about how to use ChatGPT to market to pre-foreclosures. As you know, I auction off foreclosures for the bank at the courthouse. And y'all, I see your letters, I see your text messages, I see your flyers, and people call me because most of them look exactly the same. They are so generic. So let's craft some personable, compassionate, thoughtful marketing material using ChatGPT to reach out to pre-foreclosures. Okay? Keep watching. All right. So, hey guys. So, like I said, let's talk about how to market to pre-foreclosures using ChatGPT. So, first of all, I'm going to use the GPT 3.5, the one you don't have to pay for. And I usually just say, act as a real estate professional, create, let's say a text message, create a text message for people in foreclosure, asking them to sell their home. Okay, so very generic, basically. And there it is. It spits out a letter, a really good letter, honestly, you guys. Um, you know, just outlining what to do, things to say if you want them to sell you their house. Hope this message finds you well. But again, like I said, it was a text message. You see how long this message is, you guys. You cannot put that in a text message, right? So whatever I say, make it 100 words or less. And then it'll spit out 100 words or less. Okay, so that would be better. Hi, I understand the stress of foreclosures. Let me assist you in selling your home quickly and discreetly with a personalized approach. You can do that. You can also say, in a thoughtful, compassionate tone in 50 words, like for a text message. Dear homeowner, I understand the emotional weight of foreclosure. You see, the whole tone has changed now since we said doing a thoughtful, compassionate tone. And you could put that in a text message. The thing is, I think you need to craft them to be more personable. A lot of the messages and texts and letters I have seen are just so generic and so straightforward and to the point. And these people are basically in distress, and about to lose their home. So that's a great text message. Let's ask it, can you create another one, letting them know you offer assistance. And it created another one. More thoughtful tone, more personable, more, compassionate, that people will actually read and probably call you back. And say you wanted maybe can you create a phone script if they call you? And then they created you a phone script. Thank you for calling. My name is Ashley. How may I assist you? The homeowner says, I received a notice of foreclosure. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm not sure what to do. And it literally goes through what you can say if they do call you, if they reach out to you, just to give you an idea. You don't have to say it word for word, but it shows you, you know, selling my home could be an option, but I'm concerned about the process and the timeline. Can you help me with that? Thank you so much. I already feel relieved knowing there's someone who can help me through this. When's a good time for, let's get started promptly. Can we schedule a meeting either in person or virtually? Caller, yes, that would be great. Just things to say. You know what I mean? Um, can you create another phone script in a more friendly? Hi there. They always change that. That makes it more friendly. Hi there. I recently received a foreclosure and it's been quite overwhelming. Hey, I'm glad you reached out. Let's tackle this together. Foreclosure can be tough, but you've got someone in your corner now. Take a deep breath. We'll find a way to turn this on. You have to craft this so it sounds like you and not like you're reading. But this gives you an idea, especially if you are a new real estate investor, a new wholesaler, a new agent, somebody trying to get started that markets to foreclosures. You guys, this at least will give you a starting point. You know what I mean? Perfecto. I'm not gonna say perfecto, you know what I mean? Um, but you get an idea, you guys. Okay, so let's go back to the text messages again. So, like we did, we said create a text. I feel like a lot of people text. I think that's the main method. Create a text message geared towards people in pre-foreclosure. I'm trying to spell pre-foreclosure, offering your assistance to help them sell. Okay, so let's craft another one. And again, it spits out another letter, but this one's different from the other one. Um, and you can read it. And if you guys, if you send letters, I send direct mail. Basically, I send them in an envelope, in a bright colored envelope from Amazon. I don't do flyers. I don't do postcards. I do letters that they actually have to open, which works well for me. So this one's, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to reach out because I understand that you may be facing pre-foreclosure challenges. And you can say in a more friendly, thoughtful tone. You guys, you just play with the tone. You know what I mean? Whatever you think works. Hope this message finds you well, although I understand you might be going through a tough time dealing with pre-foreclosures. If we want a text message, can you say that in 50 words or less? Hi, I understand pre-foreclosure can be tough. I'm here to offer compassionate guidance. Let's sell your home, protect your future, and navigate this challenging time together. Reach out at your contact information for a friendly and confidential chat. You're not alone. You know what I mean? So it does sound a little bit more friendly than call me. I can buy your house for cash, and close quickly. You know what I mean? Everybody sends that generic message out. This one is a little bit more crafted, a little bit more thoughtful. Um, Let me see. Can you say it in more words? Can you make it more friendly? I'm here with a friendly hand to guide you through pre-foreclosure. Let's sell your home, safeguard your future, and tackle this challenge side by side. Call or text me for a caring and confidential chat. You've got a friend in this journey. Warm regards, Ashley. You know what I mean? You can just craft it. If you want to add something else, if you want to take something from your letter that you really liked that they made, um, you can do that. Stay positive and know that brighter day lies ahead. You're not alone. I'm here to help you navigate this challenging chapter and start a new one. You know, instead of I got a cash offer for you and a buyer, you know what I mean? That works for some people, but that does not work for everyone. So keep in mind your audience, what you're trying to say. You can put in what you're trying to say. If there's COVID relief, can you add COVID relief? Am I spelling? COVID relief in the text. I can help with that and assistance is available. I hope you're hanging in there. They gave me another long one. Can be over expressions, but I want you to know that assistance and understanding are available. As your real estate, I'm here to provide compassionate support. You guys, not only can I assist you, I can also say I'm here to guide you and explore leave options. Also say I'm here to let's work together. Also say I'm here to it sounds much better than, again, like I said, I've got a cash offer for you. We can close in 7 days, as is, no repairs. You know what I mean? Can you make it 50 words? Hi, Jason. Navigating pre-foreclosure can be tough, especially now. I'm here to help. Let's sell your home and explore COVID relief options together. Call me for caring support. You're not alone. Take care. So you guys, you can craft a text message, you can craft a letter, you can craft a telephone script using ChatGPT and put it in a personable, compassionate, thoughtful tone. That is my advice. Make it different from everybody else's, because you know they're getting a ton of text messages, a ton of letters from bankruptcy attorneys, from wholesalers. All right, guys, so hopefully this video was helpful, and maybe you can craft your own text, telephone script, letter, whatever you do. Hopefully you can use ChatGPT, and it can help you make a more personable, compassionate, thoughtful letter to reach out to these people who are in pre-foreclosure. Also, just so you know, because so many people ask me about it, you guys, finally my auction accelerator course is coming out. Guys, what do y'all ask me about the most? Where to find auction properties and how to do a title search. And when I say I thoroughly dug deep and showed you all how to do a title search on these properties before you go to auction and lose all your coins. So get ready. I'll do like a little sign up sheet so you don't miss it. Check the link below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.